us in life's dance. You'll be the partner I hold, you and me, together growing old.
My dearest Louie, today we are getting married, and it is the day that makes 5 years of loving you with my whole heart. Today is the day that I promise to continue loving you with all that I have. I will put nothing above you and make you my whole world for the rest of my life.
And I will be, yeah, I will be, I will be whatever you need.
Dear Amanda, as you read this on the most wonderful day, are you just as marveled as I am? Marveled to have met someone by chance in a classroom who is truly beautiful at her core. Someone with great empathy and love that she gives to every life she encounters. Someone who lights up a room with her sheer presence. You continue to surprise and amaze me every day with your unyielding character and gentle grace. I surely am the luckiest man to have even met you, let alone get to marry you in a few short hours. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you as my wife and see what love-driven adventures await. Forever yours, with all of my love, Louie.
Whatever you need me to be.
The sacrament of marriage in the Greek Orthodox Church, my beloved ones, derives from the belief that marriage exists from God's creation of the first man and the first woman. Therefore, the couple does not exchange vows, but is united by the grace of God. The service of holy matrimony that we are about to celebrate today is abundant with symbolisms that reflect marriage, such as love, mutual respect, equality, and sacrifice. Through this sacrament, the couple agrees before Christ, the priest, and the church to be faithfully united together for life, and therefore the Holy Spirit imparts and blesses and unites the couple. Through this blessing, the couple is able to live together in God's love, mutually fulfilling and perfecting each other. Marriage is an eternal relationship that begins in this world and is perfected in God's kingdom.
Today, surrounded by all of our loved ones, I will choose you to be my husband, and am so very blessed to soon be called your wife.
I want to welcome everybody to the Davis Poulos wedding reception. How's everybody feeling tonight?